If you spend few hours before going to bed today selecting designs from Creative Fabrica, then placing them on item using Printify, and then integrate your Printify account with your Etsy shop, before morning you will have an online business that has the potential to make you $10,000 before Valentine. This Etsy shop made over $2 million selling print-on-demand products, and this other one hit 500K in just 1 year. Sound crazy, right? But these are actual numbers from real Etsy shop. Kittl Robert Art has put over $2 million in sales, making around $47,000 in monthly revenue. Fun Studio School, a shop that started on January 5, 2023, has already crossed $500,000 in sales, ranking in $23,000 a month. Now, the big question is, what are they selling and how can you do the same? Stick around because I'm about to break it all down step by step so that you can tap into this insane money-making opportunity. Now, with Valentine's Day coming up, you need to know this. People spend big on gifts. Last year alone, consumers spent over $25 billion on Valentine's gifts, and customized items were some of the best sellers. No wonder those Etsy shops are making that amount of money. What if you could also grab a tiny piece of the pie and make at least $10,000 before Valentine's Day? So how do you tap into this? It's simple. Let me show you exactly how to create best-selling Valentine products, just like the one you're seeing right here on screen, using a tool that lets you legally use their design for your print-on-demand product. That means you don't have to create anything from scratch. The tool I'm talking about is Creative Fabrica. Now, most of us know Creative Fabrica for its gorgeous graphics, amazing fonts, and awesome cut files. But what most people don't know is that Creative Fabrica actually has a special print-on-demand section. This means that you can legally use their design on product that you sell without worrying about copyright issues. Now, if you're hearing about print-on-demand for the first time, here's the deal. It's a process whereby you design and create graphics, upload them to a third-party website, and that website takes care of the rest. They manufacture your product, whether it's t-shirt, mug, tumbler, tote bag, and so much more. Then they package and ship that item directly to your customer. That means no inventory, no upfront costs, and no stress for shipping. Now that you know what print on demand is all about, let me show you the designs that are selling like crazy and how you can start listing yours today. Finding trending and high quality graphics for your online shop can be tricky, but that is why I'm so excited to show you the section of Creative Fabric. Their print on demand library is like nothing I've ever seen in the internet. It's a one-stop shop for ready-made designs, so you don't need any other platform. Now, to get started, there's a link at the top of the description. This will take you directly to Creative Fabrica. Once you sign up, you will unlock a special deal. Instead of paying $347 for their yearly plan, you get to pay just $47. But I'll show you how to get multiple designs for free so you don't have to pay in the beginning. Shh, don't tell anyone I shared the secret. Once you create your account and land on the homepage, here's what to do next. Click on this section that says POD, which is print on demand. Then you can scroll just to check out what's trending. As you can see, the Valentine trend has already started. So you should try to find designs that are relatable, funny, and bold from their expansive library. But instead of just browsing here, use the search bar to type in the word Valentine to find high quality designs that can sell well on any platform. As I scroll through, you can see that these designs are really bold, colorful, and a lot of people can relate with these designs. Take a look at this design, a Highland cow with bubble in its mouth. I think this is pretty cool. Under each designs, you can preview how it will look on different products. They have samples for t-shirts and also mug. So here's the best part. Creative Fabrica gives you 10 free designs to download when you sign up using the link down in the description. Check out this one, another cute Highland cow with a red bulb and lollipop. Again, you can see exactly how it looks on different items before you download it. I don't really know what's dragging me to this Highland cow, but whatever it is, I love it. Okay, so if you want even more, Creative Fabrica also offers design bundles. For example, this one has 20 Valentine submission designs. That means you can use across multiple products for free. For free, guys. So you see that you can start your print-on-demand business for completely free. This year, we are coming stronger. No more excuses. You can print them on sweatshirts, t-shirts, but keep in mind that sweatshirt is less saturated compared to t-shirts. You could print them on mugs, pillow, blankets, socks, tote bag, and even tumblers. For example, check this out. This Etsy seller has sold over 78,000 heart-shaped tumbler. That is over $200,000 plus from just one product. And these types of patterns are also on Creative Fabrica, even more better designs. So you could use Etsy to see exactly what people are buying, then find similar pattern or designs on Creative Fabrica. I love using Etsy for research because you can see real data of what exactly is working. So I'm going to download some designs right now and move to the next part of the video, which is placing my design on product. product using a print-on-demand platform like Printify, and then get them listed on marketplaces. So when people order our product, Printify can handle the printing, packaging, and ship them over to our customer so we can make money even while we sleep. So let's do it. So I downloaded a lot of designs and patterns to my computer, taking advantage of the bundle offer to make sure I have good amount of designs for various products. Now to see exactly what my design look on Ashra products, I will open up Printify and I will click on categories. The first product I'm going to design is tumbler. We have to be clever with this. Then I'm going to position my pattern on a template, then click on preview. And friends, I think this is looking pretty good. Tell me, what do you think? Now we'll go back to the Tumblr category and repeat this with other designs. I'm going to do 5 more designs and move to the next product. The next product I'm going to be designing is sweatshirt. I chose sweatshirt over t-shirt because based on research, sweatshirt has less saturation compared to t-shirt. And I love the idea of using couples for the mock-up because they look really good on couples. So I will use this particular design, then I'm going to position my pattern on the template and hit preview. I will do this for both male and female and repeat the steps with 5 more designs. So far, I love the final result, so let me proceed to the next item. Candles are another popular and romantic gift choice for Valentine's Day. What sets print-on-demand candle apart is the ability to customize the label. So you can offer personalized messages with print-on-demand candle. This has higher profit margin compared to traditional t-shirts. So I'll just drag my design to the template and position it to make sure it doesn't pass this guideline you see on the Canva. And then I'm going to hit preview to see what it looks like. Then repeat this process 5 more times. Now I have those 5 gorgeous looking candles. Friends, I'm not going to lie, I would definitely buy one of these if I find myself scrolling on Etsy. Product number 4 will be blanket. As Valentine's Day fall during the cold season in some regions, blanket is an excellent gift option. Print-on-demand blankets can be customized with either patterns or personalized messages. So I will drag my pattern design to Printify from my computer, then start designing, and this is what I was able to come up with. I am 100% going to pay for this if I come across this for my daughter, since she likes pinks and cute little patterns like this. Tell me what you think about those designs. I would really love to hear your thoughts. In the comments, write the word pretty if you agree with me. I repeated the process on pillows, socks, and stuffed animals to get varieties for my customers to choose from. This took me just 1 hour 30 minutes to do all of this. I spent majority of the time picking out my designs because I really wanted to pick designs that are going to sell, and the rest took me just a couple of minutes. Please, I beg you, don't be lazy. Make sure you create variety, especially if you want to see success. Okay, now you've sourced your design from Creative Fabrica. You've placed them on a mock-up using Printify. Now, how do you get people to buy your product and start making money from them? Because let me be real with you, if nobody sees your product, you are not going to make any money. So let me break it down step by step. Here's how you are going to get people to buy from you, even if you're a complete beginner. One of the best places to sell your print-on-demand product is Etsy. Why? Because Etsy has millions of visitors that are looking for unique and personalized gifts, especially for Valentine's Day. To get started with Etsy, set up a shop on Etsy. It is completely free, but Etsy charges you 20 cents per listing. Use the right keywords so that when people search for Valentine gifts, you want your products to show up. So for example, you created a hat mug. Instead of naming it cute hat mug, use something more specific like personalized Valentine's mug, cute gift for him or her, hat, coffee, hop. Using keywords like this could help you get found on Etsy search. Make your product look amazing. Your product image needs to stand out. Use high quality pictures, bright colors, and show how your product looks in real life. And you already get that luxury with Printify. Another tip is you should run a sale because people love discount. Even a small 10% off can make people buy from you. If you create at least 5 to 10 products, you'll have a better chance of getting sales, which is why I urge you to create a lot of products, but make sure they are of high quality. The second way to get people paying for your product is by using Pinterest. Do you know that Pinterest is one of the best platforms for Etsy sales? It is free and people come there to look for gift items a lot. Simply create a free Pinterest business account. Post 5 to 10 pins every single day before Valentine's Day featuring your products. Use trending hashtags and make sure to link each pin to your Etsy store. Pinterest works like magic because people use it just like Google. They search for cute looking Valentine gifts, and if your product pop up, they might buy it. Strategy number 4 to sell your product is by using Amazon and TikTok Shop. If you want to go big, don't just end it on Etsy. You can also list your product on Amazon. A lot of people don't think about Amazon when they think about print on demand. If you list your product on Amazon Merch, Amazon merged with Print and ship that product directly to your customer for you. And you can also list your product on TikTok Shop and get influencers to market them for you. And remember, the earlier you start, the better. Valentine's Day is already coming up fast and people are already doing their Valentine's shopping. So set up your Etsy store and start posting now. If you spend few hours before going to bed today selecting designs from Creative Fabrica, then placing them on item using Printify, and then integrate your Printify account with your Etsy shop, before morning you will have an online business that has the potential to make you $10,000 before Valentine. But for those of you that are thinking, but Diana, what happens after Valentine? How do I keep making money? You can use it for any major holiday or seasonal celebration. Some of the biggest holidays and events where you can make so much money, we have the Mother's Day, which is by May. We have Father's Day by June. We have graduation season, which is May all the way to June. We have Halloween, which is October. We have Thanksgiving, which is November. We have Christmas and holiday season, which is obviously December. We have New Year, which is January. We have birthday, which is year round. Okay, people are celebrating birthday party every single day. We have wedding and anniversary, which is also year round, and we also have baby shower, newborn gifts. All those things are year round. Okay, the key to making money all year round is by staying ahead of the trend. Valentine's Day is the hottest season now, but as soon as it's over, start preparing for Mother's Day, birthdays, or even baby showers. So stop waiting, friends. Grab your designs from Creative Fabrica and start uploading your designs. Okay, these people making this huge amount of money, they don't have two heads. They simply learned a strategy and took action. They saw an opportunity, used the right tools, and stayed consistent. Now, I'm handling you this same exact strategy on a silver platter. The question is, will you take advantage of it? Let me know what your next step will be in the comment below.